great day. Bye. Where's the package? Oh, I see it. Toy. Yes. Waiting a whole year for this. Woo! Ah. I'm gonna film a video. Yes. Sure, I have my scissors. Hide this from everyone. Oh, hey guys. Didn't realize you were there the whole time. Anyway, today we will be unboxing new fidget toys, and it just came just like 10-15 minutes ago. Yeah, and I think we should really like unbox it right now. So we have our just ready, and I'm gonna show you the package now. In three, two, one. Here's the package, and I think there's two because I feel two of them. There's one, and I think there's another one in the back. There's two of them in just one. That is so cool. I can't wait to unbox this thing. So guys, we will be unboxing it right now because I cannot wait until next year. Because we've been like waiting for this like almost 2 years right now. Okay, anyway, we will be unboxing it right now because I can't wait. Literally, I can't wait. Where should we start? There's this there's another package. So I hope we will have time to unbox both. I'm gonna open it from this side. I'm gonna cut through this part. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's just so satisfying. It's just really satisfying. Alright. We can pull off tape. It's kind of stuck to the thing, but you can still get it off. Just like my other unboxing video, we will put the trash down on the floor. opening over here. Oh, side. It starts from here. Alright. I am so excited. I don't want to rip this, but I think that's the only way. Oh, I got it. I have to rip it. Ah, it's so sad. I finally got it open. Ah. Oh my gosh, there's actually two. There's seriously two in this record. And this one looks a little bit like the other one we unboxed last time. This is pretty cool. And this one, I think this is different. So, I'm just going to put these aside and put this rubbish down. But first of all, I just want to show you it's real because it has this logo. Because everything you buy needs to have this, right? And just like last time's video, I showed you this. So it's like making sure it's real, right? Okay, put these down. I don't care about those. Okay, which one should we unbox first? Comment down below if you have these two. If you have these two, which one would you choose to like open first? I really don't know. I think I will choose the toys and homemade toys first. The fidget toys, since it's my favorite, I've always wanted fidget toys, but I think I only brought like Simple Dimples and like just random things like that. I think it's not really that exciting, so I think I'm gonna put this aside, and I am going to open this one first. Okay, let's open it with our scissors, and be careful with scissors because they are really sharp. I'm gonna cut it. I might cut the label, so if that's okay, then I'll just do it. Oh my gosh, that's so sad. I'm so excited. Like, I can't even wait my life. Put these down. It didn't really cut through the label. Okay. We got it open, and just like yesterday, we got these explanation over here. I think we only got 3. One of them, green, is mystery. The pink one is toy for girls, and orange, the last one, is babies' toys. That's pretty cool. I am thinking, which one should I get first? But I'm just gonna close my eyes and take one from here, and then I have to guess which one. 3, 2, 1. I can't get one. I think this one is, I think the baby toys and the girls' toys are like kind of a mystery, so I think I'm gonna choose mystery for this one. got mystery. See, I got green, the green, and here, green, and here it says mystery. Yay! I got it correct. I am so excited to see what's inside. I am gonna cut this part. No, this part. Wait. No, this part. Just trying to make sure that I don't cut any of the toys. Because, yeah. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we got the same, like, sword as last time we got. That's kind of cool. So I got matching ones. One for my brother, one for me. That's really cool. Very cool. Let's set this thing aside. To the side. Do we have anything else? It's kind of dark inside. I'm just going to pour it out. Oh, we do have one more thing. And I don't think there's anything else. I'm going to put these down like the others. Alright. This is what we got. It's the same, like, tool thing. It's the same as last time we had. And it's like a Minecraft sword, or Steve's sword from Minecraft, yeah. It just keeps falling out of my hands. I don't know why. See? I don't really play with swords, but I think it's pretty cool. Let's see the next one. Just like what we did with the mystery one, I'm going to do the same with the other two things. Okay. Wait. I'm scared. This one. I don't think this is a baby toy. I do not think so. I'm really scared. No. I think it's a baby toy. Because baby toy can be any big. Can be really big. Can be really small. I think this one's my baby toy. I'm going to open my eyes. Oh. It's not a baby toy. If you guys can see closely, right there, it's actually pink. I don't know if you guys can see because it's really light, very light. It's right there, but it's actually the baby toy. Okay, we're just gonna open this baby toy thing, or I think we should just open this baby toy, or toys for girls, or I don't know which one it is, but yeah. Wait. Yep, it's a girls. No, this one is the toy for girls. So I'm gonna cut it from this edge. That's hard. Oh, we got one thing. Okay, let's put this rubbish down. And just so you know, if you couldn't see it in the first place, it's actually pink. It's pink. Let's put that one down. And we got a bow over here. It's really cool. I think this will match me so good. Let's put this aside in a second. This is how it looks. It looks like a candy, but it's a bow. Okay, I'm just gonna put it next to the others. Okay, the last one. I know which one it's gonna be, but it feels like there's more stuff in here. So I am not gonna close my eyes. I'm just gonna choose. There's 3 things in here. I'm gonna open the package first. Then I'll tell you what was the next one. This package is so small. Oh my gosh. And it's the baby's toys. It's the baby's toys. I am scared. Like, I don't know where to cut this thing. Let's just feel the edges. This part has more empty space. So I'm gonna cut it there. Let's put this down. What? Why is some of these things like the same as last time we did? But this duck is kind of squished. You can't see. It's right there. Okay, it's just like the other one. Let's put it down. And there's another one. It's right here. You can see. And I'm gonna put this aside too. And there is still 2 more things, but first of all, we need to put our rubbish down to the floor. Now there's only 2 more things. And both of them is the same as last time. It's just this world thing, just like the world. Just put it aside. And this guitar. I probably won't need to tell you about this because I am pretty sure you guys already watched my other video and it's literally the same one as this. I think I got clickbaited, or I don't know, maybe I misclick or something. I don't know, but this is just what I got. Alright? I'll put this aside. And that's all for this one. For the toys and homemade toys. I think we still have time for another one. This is the last one and I'm so excited. I don't know. I've been wasting my time all alone to just see all of those things over there that I already got last time. But I don't think we have time for this. So, if you want to see me unboxing this one, you should really subscribe to my videos and my channel and like and share and comment whatever you want to say about all of my videos. And while you're subscribing, you can press the bell button and say you can pick any of them, but just click it so every time I post a new video, you guys know what type of video or when I posted a new video. So just make sure you check around, look around, just play around with my channel. This one is the one that we are going to unbox later on. It's this one and this one. Okay. Now, I am only going to say a few more things and then we will end the video right there. I will say, you guys already subscribed to my channel and subscribe to my videos and watch all of my videos, you are superstar, because like all I've wanted to have is a YouTube channel and being a doctor, and hopefully when I grow up I will be a doctor. So pray for that. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys next time unboxing another thing. Bye.